Welcome back, mathematicians. This time I want to talk about end behavior. Okay, so end behavior is going to be pretty simple for us. We have these four basic situations that we can look at, and I'm going to break them down one by one. Okay, so in this case, we have an odd degree polynomial, and it's positive. So in other words, this guy probably has something like x cubed and it's positive and plus dot dot dot, right? Something else back here. So this polynomial is odd, has an odd degree, and it's positive coefficient, leading coefficient. So this is going to be how it looks like generally, right? It's going to go up and down and up again. So what I'm concerned about as far as this unit is concerned is how we're going to write this, right? So we're going to write this as the limit of x goes to negative infinity, f of x, or our function or graph, goes to negative infinity, goes down, right? Likewise, right here, we're going to have the limit as x approaches positive infinity. So as it goes this way, our graph goes which way? Our function goes to positive infinity. Okay, so please, when you come to the Ring of Fire, I'm just going to warn you right now that I'm going to have 100% on this one because we can't just guess and check, right? But when this and we'll go over the rest of them. Okay, so as this graph goes this way towards negative infinity, it's negative infinity. As it goes to the right towards infinity, it goes up, so positive infinity. Okay, so let's look at the rest of these. This one is as the limit approaches negative infinity this time, f of x goes to positive infinity. And opposite's true on this side. Oops, that's a negative infinity. Okay, so again, we shouldn't guess on these, right? We should learn how to read these things. This says, as x approaches negative infinity, as it goes this way, our f of x, or our graph, goes up. That's what that says, right? As this graph goes to the right, as it goes to positive infinity, our f of x goes to negative infinity and goes down to the bottom, okay? So let's try to, if you want to, pause right here and try to guess at this next one. I mean, you should all have pencils and erasers. If we don't get it, that's okay. So go ahead and try it. Pause, and I will write out the rest of these, and we'll kind of speed up the thing for time purposes, and I'll meet you back here in just a few seconds. All right, so what we should have gotten as this limit goes again to the left, this means as x goes to the left, this f of x is going up. As this graph goes to the right, that's what that says. As x goes to the right, f of x is going up. Right, so for an even, so this is something like I don't know, 3x to the fourth power, right? Plus dot 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 is something like this. And this one's going to be an even, but it's going to be negative. So this one's going to be like a negative 4x to the sixth power, say. Okay, so this is a negative leading coefficient, but the power is even. Okay, so that's what I'm meaning when I say positive or negatives. The leading coefficient's negative, the degree is even or odd. Okay, thanks for listening. I'll see you at the next video.